Good afternoon, Ma'am, Sir. I am Evergreen Tolentino. I'm 41 years old. I'm married. I have two sons, ages 20 years old and 8 years old. I am undergraduate of Bachelor of Science in Nursing. I am currently here in Hong Kong. My duties and responsibilities are cooking, cleaning, washing, ironing clothes, car washing, take care of pets, take care of the elderly, and take care of children. About my working experience, I take care of the children. I'll give them food in the morning for their breakfast. I'll send them in school. And also, I'll take care of the elderly, accompany her in going to doctor's checkup. I also take care of pets like dogs, cats, and turtle. I'll give them food in the morning and in the afternoon. I am willing to work with my coworker, and I promise to do my duties and responsibilities. Please choose me as your household worker because I want to support my children in their schooling and my mother's sick. I am honest, trustworthy, and hardworking person. And I promise to willing to learn more. And I promise to do my duties and responsibilities and to finish my 2 years contract. Thank you, Ma'am, Sir.